Submitting documents to Outlook for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Ensure that all necessary documents are ready for submission. This may include identification, proof of address, or any other required paperwork. Make sure they are in an acceptable format such as PDF or JPEG. Step 2. Access your Outlook account. Log into your Outlook account using your credentials. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding with the document submission. Step 3. Navigate to the submission section. Once logged in, look for the section related to account approval or document submission. This may be found under Settings, Account Management, or a similar category. Step 4. Upload your documents. In the document submission section, you will find an option to upload files. Click on it and select the documents you prepared earlier. Ensure that you upload all required files before proceeding. Step 5. Submit your documents. After uploading, review your submission to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to send your documents for approval. You may receive a confirmation email once your submission is processed. By following these steps, you can successfully submit your documents to Outlook for account approval. Make sure to check your email for any updates or further instructions.